Hello. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the fourth unit of Vedic Mathematics. So, in this unit, we discuss about the easy solutions to solve the linear equations. So, before talking about the fourth unit, firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Dr. Pinnos VENKAT RAMAN, working as Professor of Mathematics for Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad. So, in fourth unit, the subject name is Fundamentals and Applications of Vedic Mathematics. And the fourth unit fourth unit topic is Easy Solutions of Linear Equations. So, in fourth unit, the important chapters are first one, Introduction of Simple Equations. Second one, Vedic Solutions of Simple Equations of One Variable. Third chapter is Vedic Solutions of Linear Equations in Two Variables. And last chapter is Practical Applications of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So, before discussing one by one, firstly, I will introduce about Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is very ancient Indian techniques to solve mathematical problems easily and very fast. Though it is very useful techniques for the students, it is not as much popular as modern mathematical techniques. In Vedic mathematics, there are 16 sutras or formulae and 13 subsutras. Vedic mathematics was first introduced by Sri Bhakti Krishna Tirtha Maharaja in 19th century. The Vedic mathematics is called so because of its origin from Vedas. To be more specific, it has originated from Atharva Vedas, the fourth Veda. Atharva Veda deals with the branches like engineering, mathematics, medicine, and all other sciences with which we are today aware of. Vedic mathematics introduces the wonderful applications to arithmetical computations, theory of numbers, compound multiplications, algebraic operations, factorizations, simple quadratic and higher order equations, simultaneous quadratic equations, partial fractions, calculus, squaring, cubing, square root, cube root, and coordinate geometry, etc. Now we talk about the Vedic solutions of simple equations. Firstly, we know what is the definition of the simple equation. Simple equations are the general way of representing a relation between a set of variables or unknowns. Now in this we discuss about the 6 types. The type 1 is solution of ax plus b equal cx plus d. Now here x is unknown or variable, only one variable it is having. Solve is nothing but finding the x value. And here a, b, c, d are constants. So suppose the given problem or the given equation is like this, in this type. So in Vedic mathematics, there is no general method for all types of simple equations. So for different categories, they designed or they developed the solutions to various types. Now, first, for example, the given problem is like this, in this form. Ax plus b equals cx plus d. Now here x is unknown and a, b, c, d are constants. So there are two cases. Now, what is the first case? Here, bd, if b equal d, this constant equal this constant, then x value is 0. Directly you put 0. Suppose b is not equivalent to d, then x is equal to this constant minus this constant, that is d minus b by a minus c. So we have to remember this formula, and in this you substitute the constants a, b, c, d and simplify, you will get the x value. So, but in modern or in traditional way, what we do in this case, now send this x one side you collect and constants on other side you take. So then we will get x minus cx is equal to d, and this b sent that side, so it becomes minus b, and cx I have written front LHS, therefore it is minus cx, plus cx become minus cx. Now you take common x outside. Then what happened? A minus c equal x is equal to d minus b. Now this x is equal to what happened? D minus b by, and divided a minus c. So this is the formula we got in the modern techniques or traditional way. Like this we will do. But in Vedic mathematics, if the problem here, they will first you have to check what is this constant and this constant. If these two are equal, then directly you put x equals 0. If these two are not equal, then the solution is this constant minus this constant divided by this constant minus this constant. Okay, so that is x equal d minus b by a minus c. So we have to remember these two formulae, and with this background, now we do some problems. Now problem 1. Solve 2x plus 5 equal x plus 9. Now in this, what happened? What is the a value? A is 2. And what is the b value? C. And what is the c value? 1. And what is the d value? Is 9. Here a equal 2, b equal 5, c equal 1 and d equal 9. Now in this case, now you see b equal d, this equal this, no. Here b is not equal to d, therefore what is the x value here directly? This divided by this minus this, that is d minus b. So d minus b formula, here a minus c formula. So now here substitute the values, these values in this formula, then d is 9 minus b is 5 by, and what is the a value? 2 minus c is 1. So what is the answer? 9 minus 5, 4, and 2 minus 1, this is 1. So the answer is 4. This is the answer. So 4 is the answer, this I mentioned here. Okay, so like that we see the second problem, problem 2. Here 4x minus 7 equal x minus 8. Now here what is the a value? 4, and b value is minus 7, and c value is 1, and d value is minus 8. Because you compare this equation with ax plus b equal cx plus d. So therefore this is a, and this is b, and this is c, coefficient of x c, and this is d. So that I have written a equal 4, b equal minus 7, c equal 1, d equal minus 8. So here d equal b, no, here d is minus 8 and b is minus 7, therefore these two are not equal. Therefore what is the formula here? Solution is d minus b by a minus c. What is the d value? Minus 8, and minus of minus 7 by a 4 minus c 1. So what is the answer here? Minus 8, minus into minus, plus 7 by 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the answer? Minus 8, this is minus 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Answer is minus 1 by 3. You see, it is very simple, and easily we got the solution in less time comparatively with the traditional way. Similarly, you see this example. Now here what is the a value? A is this, and this is b, and this is c, and this is d. But here you see this d equal b, d equal b. So therefore if d equal b, then what is the answer? X equal 0. This is the answer. So you see, we got answer in very less time. So that's why Vedic mathematics is more useful when the equations are big or if the numbers are very large. Then Vedic mathematics is, in those cases, Vedic maths is more useful, and we can give the answer with less number of equations, and we can get the solution very fast. Next, move to the another type. Before talking second type, you practice all these problems, practical problems, do and practice at home. So fourth problem, solve 6x plus 5 equal 2x plus 7. Next, solve 6x plus 5 equal 2x plus 5. Next, 4x plus 5 equal 2x plus 7. Next, 6x plus 5 equal x plus 7. 6x minus 5 equal 2x plus 7. 6x plus 5 equal 4x minus 7. 3x plus 5 equal 2x plus 7. X plus 5 equal 2x plus 7. You practice all these problems. Next, type 2. What is the type 2? If the given equation, if the given simple equation is in this form. Now here, binomials, left side 2 binomials, multiplication of 2 binomials, and right side also multiplication of 2 binomials. Binomials means 2 terms. Now here, but the x coefficient is 1 here, x coefficient is 1 here, here x coefficient is 1 here. So that is the important observation. And here x is the unknown, only one variable, and a, b, c, d are the constants. Now how to solve this problem? Means how to find the value of x. Suppose the problem is like this. Okay. Now in this also there are two cases. Case 1 is this constant. What is the constant here? CD. C into D. CD. And here what is the constant? A into B. So if CD equal or AB equal CD, if this constant equal this constant, then what happened? Then x equal 0. Simply just you put 0. Otherwise, if AB is not equivalent to CD, then what is the x value? Same, you similar. In type 1, in D place we have CD. In B place we have AB. So now I have written CD minus AB divided by, in A place what we have? A place we have A plus B. That is A plus B. Minus C place we have minus C and minus D. These two constants. So remember like that. You see, you remember this formula by comparing this type 2 with the type 1. In type 1 what happened? X equal D minus B by A minus C. A is from left side and C is from right side. And D is a constant in right side and B is a constant from left side. Here also same thing. In right side what is the constant? C into D. Left side what is the constant? AB. So therefore CD minus AB. Divided by, in left side constant AB, that is A plus B I have written, minus C minus D. So like that you remember the formula. In traditional way, how we do it? We multiply this by this. So x square, second degree x square, and here also x square we will get, and we take more time to solve the equation x. Okay, so that's why this Vedic Maths is the best way comparatively with the traditional ways. Now, we solve this problem. Problem 12. Solve x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal x plus 3 into x plus 4. How to solve this by Vedic mathematics? Now here you compare this equation with the formula, with the standard form. Compare this, x plus a into x plus b equal x plus c and x plus d. Now what happened here? What is the constant here left side? CD. So what is the CD value? 3c. And what is the d value? 4. So what is the answer here? 12. Now similarly left side a and this b. So what is the AB value? Left side constant 1 into, and this is 2. It is 2. These two are equal? No. Therefore, AB is not equivalent to CD. Here 2 and this is 12. They are not equal. So therefore, then what is the formula? Answer from Vedic mathematics is, what is the constant this side? CD minus this side, left side constant AB. Left side number A plus B. That is A plus B minus, what is this? Minus C and minus D. Like that you remember. Okay, well, just substitute the values. Here, what is the A value? This is A and this is B and this is C and this is D. Now substitute here. CD how much already? We got CD 12 minus what is the AB? 2 divided by what is the A value? 1 plus B value 2 minus C value 3 minus D value 4. So what is the answer? 12 minus 2, 10 divided by 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3 minus 4. This 3 cancel. So 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is the answer. 5 by 2 is the answer. So this here answer is 5 by 2. So like that we can solve the problem. Remember the formula and substitute the constants in this formula. Then easily we will get the answer. Next we move to problem number 13. Solve x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal x minus 5 into x minus 4. Now here what is the A value? A is this and this is B and this is C and this is D. Now here what is the AB? AB constant. This is 1 into 2. What is the answer here? This is 2. And what is the CD? CD or DC? Both are same. This constant. So minus 5 and minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5, 20. These two are not equal. Therefore, what is the, if these two are equal, then what is the answer? 0. That we will see in the next problem. Now, therefore, what is the formula in this case? This is CD minus AB by left side A plus B minus C minus D. Now, what is CD? 20 minus AB is 2 by what is A? 1 plus 2 and minus, but C is minus 5. So, minus C how much? Plus 5. This is minus into minus plus and here also minus D you write. So but minus D is minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4. So what is the answer here? 20 minus 2, 18. And this what is the total? This plus here. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So the answer is 6 3 ja and this is 2. So 3 by 2 is the answer. You see, very simple. Just remember the formula and substitute the values. Suppose if we don't know Vedic mathematics, then how we do the how we solve this problem by traditional way or modern techniques. Now we have to multiply each factor. We will get a large number, a large equation left side. Similarly, right side we have to multiply binomial multiplication. We will get another big expression, and we have to simplify and we have to find the x value. Also, it is a big work. It will take more time. Right. But in Vedic mathematics, you see, within a minute, we got the solution. Now we move to the another last problem in type 2. So here also, what is the A? Plus 1. What is the B? Plus 12. And what is the C? Minus 13. Minus 3. And what is the D? Minus 4. Now what is the AB here? Constant left side. 1 into 12. This is 12. Okay. Now, and what is the CD? Right side constant. Minus 3 and minus 4. Minus into minus plus 3 into 4, 12. So now what happened? These two are equal. This constant, left side constant is equal to right side constant. Therefore, what is your answer? X is 0. Simply we put 0. Right, you see? Just a half second, half minute, I got the answer. But if you don't know Vedic Maths, then we have to multiply this side, left side, right side, and we have to simplify. It will take minimum 5 minutes time. Okay, thank you.